So, you've got your Grab app, you're ready to order your favorite food or book your next ride, but you're stuck. You're wondering, how do I add cash to my GrabPay wallet? Well, worry not, because we're about to break it down for you, step by step. GrabPay, the digital wallet that's making life easier, is a fantastic way to pay for your Grab services. But to use it, you need to fund it. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of adding cash to your GrabPay wallet. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open your Grab app. Find the Grab app. Locate the Grab app icon on your smartphone's home screen or app drawer. Launch the app. Tap on the icon to open the app. Step 2. Access your GrabPay wallet. Navigate to the wallet. Once the app is open, look for the wallet icon. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the wallet. Tap on the wallet icon to access your GrabPay balance. Step 3. Choose Add Money. Find the Add Money button. Within your GrabPay wallet, you'll see a button labeled Add Money. Tap on Add Money. Tap on this button to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Select your preferred payment method. Choose your method. You'll be presented with various options to add money to your GrabPay wallet. These options may include credit/debit card. If you have a credit or debit card, you can directly add money to your wallet. Online banking. You can transfer funds from your bank account to your GrabPay wallet. Over-the-counter, OTC. This option allows you to add cash to your GrabPay wallet at specific partner outlets. Step 5. Enter the amount. Specify the amount. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, you'll be asked to enter the amount of money you want to add to your GrabPay wallet. Confirm the amount. Double-check the amount to ensure accuracy. Step 6. Complete the transaction. Follow the instructions. The specific steps for completing the transaction will vary depending on your chosen payment method. Confirm the payment. Carefully review the transaction details and confirm the payment. Tips and troubleshooting. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the transaction. Verify your account information. Make sure your account information is up to date to prevent any issues with the payment process. Contact Grab support. If you encounter any problems or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Grab's customer support for assistance. Adding cash to your GrabPay wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. By following these guidelines, you can easily fund your GrabPay wallet and enjoy the convenience of cashless payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.